markets angle?
Well, most of the analysts I spoke to are on the panic mode largely because if you see most of the power companies as well as cement companies will be impacted because of the Indonesia quake. Remember, the scale of the Indonesian quake is as good as what happened in, the Japanese area a few months back. Now, what analysts say, Adani Group stocks, both Adani Enterprises, which is the largest coal trader in India, would get impacted in terms of volumes. Another stock from the Adani Group is Adani Power, wherein most of the imported coal requirement is met through Indonesian imports. And why really this is important? Because the quake has been there and there has been a tsunami warning that has been issued. So possibly the passage for the freight as well as the ships gets blocked at least for a period of 1 week to 10 days, and that would delay shipments to other neighboring countries and exports from Indonesia in terms of coal. That will have a negative impact because all of these companies, especially the likes of Reliance Power, Lanco, Infratech, we have Tata Power, all of these companies are largely dependent on Indonesia for their coal requirements. And any kind of supply mismatch that can happen from their side could potentially lead to lower PLF, and that is why we have seen the stocks react negatively to this particular news. Apart from that, Neeraj and Tanvir, palm oil. Now, Indonesia, apart from being a major coal exporter, is also a major exporter in palm oil. And if palm oil, continues to rise in the future market, that could potentially be negative for FMCG companies, especially on the oil side or the detergent side, where palm oil is the major raw material. So, apart from coal companies, power companies as well as FMCG companies, all of these companies will get impacted largely because of shortage in shipments from Indonesia regarding coal as well as palm oil. So we'll have to stick with the management and get a clarity as to what is the condition and what kind of rolling stock do they have at hand, and to run their businesses or the power plants at sufficient PLF if the supply does not get disrupted from the Indonesian mines or Indonesian palm imports.
Okay, Yasin. Thanks a lot for that.